So this is the Bialetti French press. You can see the logo there on the bottom, and the carafe is actually graduated up to 8 cups. It's empty now, but I'm going to perform a little Italian magic, which is where 8 cups suddenly becomes 4 cups. You can see this is a single measuring cup. It's filled up to the 4 cup line. And nothing up my sleeve. We're gonna take this and fill it completely all the way up to the 8 cup. Well, not quite. So I'm a half an inch roughly short of 8 cups according to, these must be Italian cups, but in American cups, this is a 4 cup French press, not 8 cups as the carafe you're looking at and the item description on Amazon says. Don't be a sucker like us.